information is obtained from a study to know the effect of use of fertilizer on yield of cotton. Now, in the chapter of regression, be very careful when you see this units. Okay, consumption of fertilizer is 10 kg and yield of cotton per hectare is in quintal. What is quintal? 1 quintal is how many kilograms? 100 kilograms. Okay, लिख दो कहीं पे, ये इंडेक्स नंबर में भी काम आएगा कि 1 quintal is 100 kg. How much is 1 ton? Okay, very good. Now, obtain the regression line of ionics and estimate the yield of cotton per hectare if 300 kg fertilizer is used. Okay, now write down X, write down Y, find the mean. Also write consumption, also write the units, very important. Otherwise you may make mistake in this. X, yield, quintal, Y, 28, 35, 25, 24, 20, 25, 20, 128, 140, 115, 120, 105, 122 and 100. Do the total and find the mean first. What's the total over here? 177. And over here? 830. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n is 177 upon 7 is equal to 5.29 के बाद क्या है? 2.5. Okay. 29. Okay. And y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n. 830 upon 7 is equal to 57. Round off करके 571. So okay, perfect. Now both are in fraction, so we cannot use x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Now you can see the numbers are also quite big, so we cannot use x and y. So we are left with only one option, that is the shortcut method UV, where we'll transform this. So we say u is equal to xi minus, assuming क्या लेंगे 25? 25 upon common divisible कुछ भी है इसमें? नहीं है. So we take 1. Now write over here without fail, assume mean is equal to 25 and C of x is equal to 1. Very important, because now we are going to use this in the formula. V is equal to yi minus 118. So 118 लेना है 120. Let's take 120. Okay. 120. I mean, what is divisible? Nothing. So 1. Actually, we cannot say nothing. We say divisible by 1. Now B is equal to 120 and C of y is also equal to 1. Find the values. And then we need uv and only u square. We don't need v square. Plus 2. minus 10. Now U into V. $399. इसका जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं। Now find out U square. 900 0 1 25 0 25 50 150 160. Any doubt over here? You can take any assume mean, कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, but generally we take a number which is nearer to the mean, so calculations become easy. Okay, now we write regression line of y on x, y cap is equal to a plus bx. We first find out by on x, which is bv on u, is equal to c of y upon c of x. पता चला ये? Although over here it is 1 upon 1, तो कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है, but have this habit of writing the correct formula. Got it, all of you? Now over here, n sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square. It is equal to 1 upon 1. N is 7 into 399 minus 2 into minus 10 upon 7 into 160 minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 2793. This is minus and minus 20, so it will become plus 20 upon 2.52. Therefore, by on x is equal to 2.52. We find out a, y bar minus bx bar. Therefore, a is equal to y bar is 118.57 minus b is 2.52 into x bar is 25.29. What's over here? 63.73 is equal to 5.84. So A is equal to 54.84. Therefore, regression line is y cap is equal to 54.84 plus 2.52x. Now, यहाँ तक आ गया सबका? Now in this sum, the important part is x. We have to find the value of y when x is. Now here it is asked that what will be the yield if 300 kg of fertilizer is used. तो क्या लेंगे हम x को? We cannot take x is equal to 300 because see I told you be very careful. ये जो है ना, this is 10 kg. So basically this is 280. This is 350. This is 250. Understood this? तो 300 है तो कितना kg हो जाएगा? We'll take it as 30. So put x is equal to 30. Now don't write 30 kg. समझ में आया सबको? फिर से एक बार 300 kg कहाँ है? But x we have taken as what? We have taken in 10 kgs. So 300 divided by 10. सिर्फ ऐसा ही कहा होता, find the value of y when x is equal to 30, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम था नहीं. समझ में आया सबको? Be careful in exam. अगर तुमने 300 यहाँ पे लिख दिया तो your answer will go absolutely wrong. Understood this? Okay. X is equal to 30, y cap is equal to 54.84 plus 2.52 into 30. 54.84 plus 0.6 130.44. This is what? This is quintal. So we will write when 300 kg fertilizer is used. When 300 kg fertilizer is used, the estimate of yield of cotton per hectare is 130.44 quintal. 130.44 quintal, यानी it is 30,044 kg. You understood this? Okay. Now, exercise 3.2, question number 4. Exercise 3.2, question number 4. Page number 136. Important. The following information is obtained to study the relation between carpet area in a house and its monthly rent in a city. ये कौन से टाइप का कोरिलेशन होगा? पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव? अप्लाई योर माइंड. Carpet area जितना ज़्यादा उतना rent ज़्यादा, isn't it? So ideally it should be positive. Now obtain the regression line of y on x. Estimate the monthly rent of house having carpet area of 110 square meter. Now यहाँ पे कोई भी ऐसा units नहीं है, so not to worry. Directly you can start carpet area. Square meter. X. Monthly rent. In rupees. Y. Only unit is great. 1,82,000. Okay, let's find out the mean. X bar. Sigma xi upon n. 90. Great. 26,000. Now you can see over here. Okay, both are not in fraction, but over here the values are quite big. If you take 26,000 x minus x bar, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 50 minus 26 will become 24. Again 24,000 का भी square या फिर multiply भी करना पड़ेगा. So here we'll go for transformation of scale and origin. Transformation of origin यानी plus or minus, and transformation of scale यानी divide and multiply. Is this clear? Now we take u is equal to xi minus 90 लेना है assume me? Yes, let's take 90 when we have it, so 1 will become 0. Upon what? What is common? 5. Okay, very good. So a is equal to 90 and c of x is equal to 5. b is equal to yi minus 26,000 ही लेंगे अब? Don't take 25,000? No. Okay, 26,000 upon 1,000. So b is equal to 26,000 and c of y is equal to 1,000. Then u into v and then u square. Okay. Now 55 minus 90 by 5. So positive or negative? 55 minus 90, so it is 35 upon 5. So 5 sevens are 35. Understood this minus 7? All of you, otherwise you can do it on your calculator if you're not confident. 60 minus 30 is minus 6. 75 minus 19 is minus 3. Minus 2. 2. And 30. 90 and 120, 30, so 6. And 50, so 10. This should be 0. 6 and 7, 13, 13. 18, 0. It's just for check, and over your sigma you also will be requiring. Now 18 minus 26. 8. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 6, minus 1, 4, and 24, 28, 28, so 0. You can see a big transformation taking place over here. From this big values, we are coming to these small values. Okay, so just like now x and y, u and v. P90. 220. Now you can do this sum. Okay, first write down regression line of y on x. Y cap is equal to a plus bx. By on x. B on u. C of y upon C of x and sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v and sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square. 327.73. Therefore, by on x is equal to 327.73. Write down a. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So A is equal to 26,000 minus 327.73 into x bar is 90. 26,000 minus 5.7. So what's the final answer? Minus आ रहा है minus 3495.7. Okay. Make the equation. Therefore, regression equation. अच्छा, what is by on x known as? What is by on x known as? कल हमने लिखा था formula में. They are known as regression coefficient. Is this clear? Okay. So regression line of y on x, y cap is equal to minus 3495.7 plus 327.73x. Put x is equal to 110, y cap is equal to minus 3495.7 plus 327.73 into 110. What's the answer? 4.6 is rupees. 3255.4.6 यानी 32,554.60. Okay. All of you understood this type of questions? Okay. Now, the following sample data is obtained to study the relation between number of customers visiting a mall per day and sales. Sales is what? In 10,000 rupees. Okay. Obtain the regression line of y on x. Estimate the sales of the mall. If 80 customers have visited the mall on a particular day. Chalo, write the question first. Number of customer x, sales 10,000, y rupees 50, 70, 100, 70, 150, 120, 2.2. Totals. Now, x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. 560 upon how many numbers are there? So fraction में 93.33 and y bar is equal to 14.4 upon 6. 2.4 exactly? Yes. Okay, now over here fractions, so we have to convert into u and v. Now u is equal to xi minus please. U is equal to xi minus, yes, we'll take 90 upon 10. So a is equal to 90 and don't forget to write this. C of x is equal to 10 because formula में use करना है हमें ये. V is equal to yi minus 2.4. Directly 2.4 ले सकते ना अपने. That is better. You take 2.4 तो एक तो sigma v 0 हो जाएगा. So sigma u into sigma v will also become 0. तो उतना calculation कम. So 2.4 upon 1/10. अगर fraction eliminate करना है तो we have to multiply with 10. So we will take 1/10. समझ में आया सबको? B is equal to 2.4 and C of Y is equal to 1 upon 10. Now be careful with this 1 upon 10, okay? And then UV and U square. Regression equation or regression line of y on x. Y cap is equal to a plus bx. By on x is equal to b on u. C of y upon c of x. N sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon n sigma u square minus sigma u the whole square is equal to C of y is 1 upon 10 upon x is 10, n is 6, uv is 144 minus sigma u into sigma v is going to become 0. 6 into sigma u square is 70 minus sigma u the whole square 2 square 0.02. Okay, so by on x 0.02. Find out a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So a is equal to y bar is 2.4, b is 0.02 into x bar is 93.33. 0.53. 5334, so 0.53. Therefore, regression line of y on x, y cap is equal to 0.53 minus b is 0.02 plus x. Y cap is 0.53 plus 0.02 x. Now what we have to put? X is equal to 80. Put x is equal to 80. Y cap is 0.53 plus 0.02 into 80. 1.6, 2.13. Y cap is 1,000. 2.13 in 10,000. Okay, if 80 customers have visited the mall, if 80 customers have visited the mall, the estimate of sales is 2.13 is 2.13 bracket में लिखो rupees 10,000, rupees symbol and then 10,000. Come to the formula page. Regression coefficient. Regression coefficient from covariance and correlation. As you know, the base of this chapter is correlation. Now let's see how correlation also helps us in finding regression coefficient. How about it? The restless क्यों हो गया? Okay, now by on x, if covariance, do you know what is covariance? Okay, let's just revise the formulas for covariance once. तुम तो रोज लिखते ही होगे तो पता ही होगा. Covariance x comma y is equal to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon n, or is equal to sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n. Okay, now by on x is equal to covariance x comma y. Y on x है, ध्यान देना प्लीज. Y on x है तो x हमेशा नीचे आएगा, but now it is standard deviation of x का square. You understood this? Okay. B x on y होता तो क्या आता? Standard deviation square y. Understood this? Okay. Now, इसके अलावा by on x when correlation is given r into, now बहुत simple है, r is correlation coefficient, standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x, because it is y on x. Please be careful about this. Here it is s square x. Is this clear? Now over here bx on y होता तो क्या आता? Standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y. Understood this? All of you? Okay, लिख लो. You know how to find a? A remains the same. Using these two coefficients, we can also find r. If you multiply these two, this will get cancelled and it will be r square. Under root of r square is equal to r. पता चला? So उसका ही part है. Although different people have given the formulas, but they are connected with each other mathematically. आएगा आगे coefficient of determination. Page 137. Question number 6. I read the question. The following information is given for 10 firms. 10 firms means n is equal to 10. Running business of clothes in a city regarding their average annual profit and average annual administrative cost. Now both are in lakhs. Both are in lakhs. Now mean is given 60 and 25. So 60 के पास you write x bar is equal to 60. Y bar is equal to 25. Then standard deviation में, so Sx is equal to 6 and Sy is equal to 3. Covariance is 10.4. So right now in the notebook, x bar is 60, y bar is 25, standard deviation of x is equal to 6. Standard deviation of y is equal to 3. Covariance x comma y is equal to 10.4. What we have to find? Regression line of y on x. So y cap is equal to a plus bx. Therefore, by on x is equal to covariance x comma y upon s square x, which is equal to 10.4 upon 6 square is equal to 36. 0.29. Exactly 29? 288. So we'll take it as 0.29. Now a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So a is equal to 25 minus b 0.29 into x bar is 60. -17.4. So which is equal to 7.6. A मिल गया. Therefore, regression line. Okay, regression line of y on x, y cap is equal to 7.6 plus 0.29x. Short sums. Understood all of you? Okay, similarly, question number 7. Question number 7. The following information is obtained to study the relationship between average rainfall in centimeter and yield of maize in quintal per hectare in different taluka of Gujarat. Now mean is given, variance is given. What is variance? S square x and S square y. And correlation coefficient is given. Now let's write first what is given. Question number 7. X bar is 82, y bar is equal to 180, s square x is equal to 64, so sx is equal to 8, s square y is equal to 225, standard deviation of y is equal to 15. Correlation coefficient R is 0.82. Estimate the yield of maize when rainfall is 60 centimeters. So सबसे पहले we find regression equation of y on x. Y cap is equal to a plus bx. Now what will be the formula for dy on x? R into standard deviation of y into standard deviation of x. 0.8 into 15 upon 8. 1.5. Therefore, A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So A is equal to y bar is 180 minus b 1.5 into 82. This is R is 0.82. Oh my god, sorry. 0.82. How much? 0.82 into 15 upon 8 is 1.4. Okay, therefore A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. So A is equal to y bar is 180 minus 1.54 into 82. This is 126 to 8. 72. Therefore, regression equation is equal to y cap is equal to 53.72 plus 1.54x. Put x is equal to 60. When the rainfall is 60 centimeter, when the rainfall is 60 centimeter, the estimate of yield of maize is the estimate of yield of maize is 146.12 ब्रैकेट में क्विंटल पर हेक्टर, 146.12 ब्रैकेट में क्विंटल पर हेक्टर, ये लिखना जरूरी है तो ही फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे।